Okay, so this is the highlight video for section 2.5, and I think the only one we're going to need today is the purple. There isn't much purple, but there's a little bit. I do want to draw your attention, though, to some of the most formal proofs consist of 6 steps part down here. I don't want you to highlight anything because I don't believe in all of these steps for you. If we were talking about a paragraph proof, then I would believe in all of these steps. But since we're doing double-sided proofs, we don't really do all of these steps. We do always read the theorem or statement. That's what they're asking you to do. And then we always draw a figure. We do always determine the hypothesis, the information in the hypothesis is called the given, and we always state the given in terms of the figure, as well as stating it in the top of our proof. And then we always determine the conclusion, the then part of the if-then clause, when we state the conclusion in the figure and label it proves. We always have the given, we always have the prove, and we always have our drawing over to the side. Then they say you study the figure, which is true, the given and the prove, and you write a plan indicating which ways you plan on doing this given and prove. If you were writing a paragraph proof, that's the kind of thing you would do there. But for ours, we're going to be mainly studying the statements, coming up with a version of statements, and then the proof of those statements will be the stuff on the right-hand side for our reasons. And then our bottom one is just when we get to that prove statement. When our proof from the beginning is the last statement, that's when we're done. And we don't have to restate the conclusion because we're doing a double-sided proof. So we kind of stick to the top 3 pretty well, but the other ones a little bit fall apart with our double-sided proofs. So turn the page. We have, and see, they do double-sided proofs too. Don't let them fool you. We have theorem 2.3 at the top. If 2 angles are supplements of congruent angles or the same angle, then the 2 angles are congruent. And then at the top of the other side, we have if 2 angles are complements of congruent angles or of the same angle, then those 2 angles are congruent. So they need to be stuck in your theorems, postulates, corollaries page. And all the other stuff you can skip over. It'll be a short video today for your classwork video. And then the next day that you do math, you'll have a review for this section. And then the next day you'll have the test for chapter 2. Okay, have a good day.